Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you a few simple ways to make your iPhone keyboard bigger and easier to type on. So stick around and let's jump right in. Sometimes when you're typing in Messages or any other app, the keys can feel a little too small. But don't worry, there are a couple of quick fixes. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Then go all the way to the bottom and select Display Zoom. Switch it to larger text. This will slightly increase the size of your keyboard and other elements on your screen. If you want something even bigger, try rotating your phone into landscape mode while typing. This stretches the keyboard across the screen and makes the keys much larger. And if that's still not enough, you can try a third-party keyboard. Just open the App Store and search for Bigger Keyboard. You'll find options like Big Keys Keyboard that allow you to increase the size of the letters far more than the default keyboard. Some are free, so feel free to try a few and see which one works best for you. And that's it. Now you know how to make your iPhone keyboard bigger and much more comfortable to type on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.